the RTM Snappy snowplough. Currently available to fit the Scag SWZ 48 decked machines. The kit comprises of front mounting bracket, complete with fully adjustable headstock, quick release pins. Then moving forward, you've got quick release pins and also pins for angling the head left, right and straight on. Currently the machine's set up so that it's just off the ground, which has got ideal snow ploughing conditions. You can put the headstock into a floating position by removing the top pin. Like so, thus putting the snow blade into a floating position to help follow the contours of the ground. By removing the secondary pin, like so, removes the blade from the machine, leaving it totally usable for grass cutting during the grass cutting season. To refit the blade, it's a case of just refitting pins back in position. Like so. So a very quick, easy snowplough kit for all Scag SWZ users.